Hi guys, welcome to day 4 of your Dawn Patrol sessions. It's going to start us in Child's Pose, so bring it on down. You are in Child's Pose, day 1 or 2, arms out in front of you. And bring your forehead down, stretch your low back. Child's Pose might be hard for many of you, based on the flexibility in your low back and in your hips, so just be good to yourself, do what you can. And remember, we're not holding anything for too long. You're not even moving for more than 10 minutes at a time, so just breathe. Our last session was pretty short, so maybe you hit play on it and you did it twice. Good, and then inhale. When you're ready, rise up, hands and knees. We're going to incorporate a little wrist stretches here, so go ahead and rotate one hand around and then the other. Get a nice stretch into those forearms. Drive the heels of your hands down. Feel the freedom in those forearms. Good. Exhale, turn your hands forward. Good. One more time. Rotate and rotate. And turn them forward. Tuck your toes under. First down dog. Here we go of our Dawn Patrol sessions. Pick up your butt. Some of you might be really tight. Everything might be bent. You might look like this, and that's fine. You're just learning how to get here with me. Good. Exhale, press back. Open up the body. Good. Now take a giant step. Right foot outside of right hand. Step it forward. Sink your left hip down, but don't let it touch if you can. So just hover the left thigh. Good. Take a full breath in. Ground the palms. Inhale, step back. Exhale, down dog. And now left foot. Step, step, steps. Pause. And then see if you can sink the hips down. Good. Now again, this is not meant to be your yoga practice. This is meant to be that hot minute where you give yourself a quick 5, 6, 7, 8, step back to down dog for you. Now, if you don't do yoga, maybe this is your yoga, and that's okay. Good. High plank, shift it forward. Good. Exhale, push it back. Now walk your hands to the back of your mat. Find your feet. Good. Exhale, fold. We worked with the half lift yesterday. Hands to shins, lift. Flat spine, booty out. Good. Exhale, fold. Bone by bone, stand it on up for me. Beautiful. Now, see if you can lift your left knee up and just balance on your right foot. Hold for 3, 2, and then switch legs. And if you are wobbling left and right, right knee up, that's fine. Sometimes I wobble. Depends on the day. 3, 2, 1. Now, if you have a wall around you, feel free to use it. You're going to inhale, bring your left knee back up again, so you're standing on your right foot, or whichever foot you want to stand on. We're doing both. Place the toes towards the ankle, finding a tree pose. This helps your balance, open up the hip a little bit as the knee shifts this side, or maybe grab the foot, bring it up higher. Good. You can keep your hands at your heart, rest them by your sides, or reach up. 3. Good. Feel that freedom. Find a strong balance in your morning. 2. Exhale, release. Maybe you're gazing out at a beautiful open window. And then switch, where you can see a bunch of trees in front of you. Good. Option, ball of foot. Slide it up to the calf. Or we reach and grab, planting the foot on the inner thigh. Tall, strong stance. And if you're like, whoa, whoa, she already has me balancing on one leg. Do you. Do what you can do. 3, we call our arms our branches. 2, I'm going to use my ceiling. I want to push my fingertips into it. Good. Exhale, and release. Knee comes back to center. Awesome. Let it go. Now, go ahead and take that knee up and around. Draw 3 circles. 1. Your hip might pop like mine just did. Good. Now reverse the circle. So draw in 3. You can hold onto a wall. 2. Good. And then we'll do the other side. So kind of back to that dynamic movement that we talked about in the first 2 practices. A lot of left to right moving. Switch it. 3, 2, 1. Good. Exhale, shake out those feet. You're going to come high onto the balls of your feet. Lift, lift, lift. Good. Exhale, drop your heels. 2 more times. Inhale, lift, 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 lift. Drop. 1 more time. Really push into your feet. Wake up the bottoms of those feet. Good. Hold it. 3. Now see if you can squat low. 2. Ready? Hands at heart. Try to squeeze those legs. You're on the balls of your feet. We call this toe balance. Can you get here? Maybe not because of your knees. That's okay. Maybe your feet, maybe your heels, maybe your ankles. And then see if you can come all the way back up. Shake, 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 shake. Release your heels. Good. Congrats on day 4. Bowing forward together, namaste. And I'll see you tomorrow to complete our first week together. And enjoy your weekends off. Thanks, guys.